Hi, I'm Keith Wolf. I'm CEO of ResumeSpice, and we are going through free resume consultations right now. So go to resumespice.com/free resume consultation, and you can fill out a form, include your resume, and we will review your resume, trying to get to as many as we can. So I'm going to go a little bit more quickly than we have been doing. So let's go to our resume to review here. All right, so this is an entry level candidate. They're actually still in school. So when you're still in school, what I recommend, and by the way, these highlights are mine, go ahead and put the education at the very top of the resume above experience. Otherwise, it looks like, it's a little bit confusing what you've been up to since you left here in October 19. So go ahead and put education at the top in that case. And this is what we call a title. So you got a communications associate is what you're calling yourself, which is fine. So you've got that in the right place in terms of being at the top of the resume, but just pull it down, center it, and then underneath that, put this, which is what we call a branding statement. So put your branding statement underneath the title. And then we over here, you just want to be consistent with your dates. So you got 5/2018, but then you have the day here. So you've got no day here, you've got the day here. So just be consistent with that. It really doesn't matter too much which one you choose. You probably can just go with the month and not include the day, but just be consistent. And then when you're including your the bullets underneath the title where you were, just make sure that it makes sense. So manage social media accounts on Facebook. This is all great. Make sure LinkedIn is spelled correctly. You need to take that space out there. But create content, publicize special chamber events, and post shout outs to employees and so on. That should be its own bullet. Okay, so you should have a fourth bullet here. So that'd be one. This would be your second. These would be 3 and 4. Under internship, you have handling. Usually don't start the bullet with a gerund. So go ahead and put handled social media, and then select something else. So you just want to shake it up a little bit, and not have the exact same wording underneath each bullet. And then of course, watch your grammar here. Sponsorship should not be capitalized. So you've got some grammar issues kind of throughout that you want to fix. Help bring in some guest speakers. Again, a grammar issue here should not be apostrophe S. For a podcast, wrote out some names that were up in pop culture. So doesn't make too much sense. You want to fix that. Production assistant, help prepare sets. You want a little bit more detail there. Serve in office and field. Served as a stand-in runner for talent. You've got to fill these out with sentences. So this has a lot of cleaning up to do. So hopefully that helps. Go to resumespice.com. You can look at some of our samples. Go to our blog, and we'll have plenty of advice there. If you want us to work on your resume, go ahead and do that. Go to resumespice.com and go to get started, and we can help you out. But otherwise, hopefully this is enough for you to work on your own if you would like to do that. And if that's the case, best of luck either way. All right. Hope that helped. Thanks.